you do to get from 100 to 25?
Multiply by 5.
No.
2.
We have a big number, we're going to a smaller number. What do we do?
Divide
By
2. I mean by...
what?
Divide by 5.
Not 5. 25, and if you think of that, I always think of quarters.
Divide by 4?
Yeah, there's 4 quarters in a dollar. So then what are we going to do to find out what n is?
Multiply by 4.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you slow. What is going on? Seriously, Dad, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Just videotaping a day in the life of our family. A little expose. What's wrong?
Nothing.
You look so sad. You gotta smile for the camera. Winkers is normally I'm interrupting his cartoons. I just thought I'd do a little expose on a day in the life for our family. I gotta find Brittany though. Where's Brittany? Brittany? Can I come in?
What?
I'm just doing a little expose on our family. Oh.
Putting this on Facebook?
Oh yeah, we're gonna tell everybody.
No, I don't want to.
I'm not putting it on Facebook. I'm putting it on YouTube.
No, don't. No, seriously, stop. Get out, no.
Oh, she kicked me out.
Anymore.
We're gonna put it on YouTube. It's the day in the life of our family.
No. Okay, well then start it over.
No.
Yes.